Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday in my video I had spoken about Bitcoin. Bitcoin went down below $30,000, and who should really be scared if that has gone down that much. But over the last 3-4 days, Bitcoin has actually shot back, has actually jumped back to a pretty healthy figure. In fact, it reached about 30. If you see the graph behind me, it actually reached almost nearly 40K, or 39, 40K. Currently, when I took the snapshot of this particular price graph, it was around 32 something, 32,885. But at this very point in time, it's actually trading at 33,000 something. So what I'm trying to say is that if you've got the if you as an investor, you have the right portfolio, and you have the right means and strategies to invest in crypto or in Bitcoin, I think you should be safe. People who are really the speculators, who've been trying to make a few buck very fast, and who would put in a lot of money, and then they see Bitcoin prices go down, those are the people who should really be worried about. But if you are not one of those speculators, short-term speculators, I don't think there is any reason why you should be worried about it. So today in this particular video, I wanted to emphasize on the points that I made yesterday in the video on the need to be rational and to be an intelligent investor in the crypto market. So the first point, again, I would make is the point on buying and holding. So just like the how you would invest in the stock market into companies that have the potential to grow, or has the leadership that really wants to drive the company to a better future, and have great products and solutions, those are the companies we should invest in. Even if those companies are at this point in time, the price may have gone down. So for example, Microsoft, Google, and these kind of companies, Amazon, these kind of companies you should invest in. And the smart investment strategy should be to buy and hold it for a longer period of time, and see these people will take that company higher, and that's why your price of the stock of that company that you bought would also go up. The same principle, the same investment strategy applies to cryptos and to Bitcoin as well. So in my opinion, if you've bought Bitcoin at a relatively lower price, or even at a price around 30, at where it's trading at this point in time, if you hold for a longer period of time, you will see the price appreciating, because Bitcoin is a great solution, because it's got people who would drive Bitcoin. There are the entire ecosystem of Bitcoin, of crypto or blockchain would actually drive this coin up. But you need to hold. That's the basic principle. It applies to even Ethereum, because it's a great product. It's a great solution. It's got great leaders behind it. And it's got this great ecosystem that uses Ethereum. So if you follow this particular policy, or this particular strategy of buying and holding, I can tell you would be on a safer ground. The other thing that also you should do is that you should see how much quantum of the portfolio over against the entire investment portfolio that you have, that you've actually contributed to, that you've actually put into the crypto. If you are looking at speculation, then I think you would go in for those coins which are more risky, and hence I would tell you that you should not go beyond 5% of your investment, total investment portfolio into cryptocurrency, because the risks are very, very high, and hence chances are that you might lose money. So that's why I would suggest to you that you restrict investment of those kinds of cryptos up to about 5% of your entire investment portfolio. So that's the second point. And the third point is, and I've mentioned this in the first point a little while ago, is you must look at those cryptos which have a future, which are likely to have a future, which has a great ecosystem, which really wants to develop a great solution for the industry that it's working on. So Bitcoin is one such great coin. Ethereum, Stellar. So they are great solutions. I reckon Ren is also a great solution, the DeFi segment. So there are many such coins. Go in for these coins. Invest in these coins. Look at how they are promoting the coins. What is their future? What kind of developer ecosystem it's building, so that it's encouraging the developers to build innovative solutions on their platforms. So do a little bit of research and see where these coins stand, and then go ahead and invest. Do not go and invest with that FOMO mindset, fear of missing out. You should go in for those smaller coins, lesser known coins whose prices are jumping up and down every now and then. There's no stability. And given that there is no proper regulation in any market in crypto, obviously the risk factors are pretty high. And that is the reason why you should exercise more caution before you go and invest. So those were the 3 points that I wanted to make to highlight the fact that I did predict that Bitcoin will jump back, and it did. And I can tell you, even if it goes down, let's say a few days from now, I think you should hold. If you've invested, you should hold the coins, and then at some point in time it will appreciate, and you would thank me for that. You would be profiting from the investment on Bitcoins. So that's it, guys. Please take care. I hope this was useful to you. As you know, I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. I will share the link to get the ebook from my website. You will have to put down your email address and your name, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. So please go through that. There's a worksheet in that where you could score yourself on your prospects to be an entrepreneur. I scored myself as well. You would see my score in there. And thank you again. As you know, I'm a digital technology marketing investment leader. I've been consulting many clients on their business marketing, technological investment challenges. If you want to engage me as your consultant, you could do that through my contact page on my website. The link will be given in the description box below. You could also connect with me on LinkedIn. A link to that will also be there in the description box. You could send a message to me on LinkedIn, and I will respond to you, and then we'll get into a call to discuss how we could work together. So that's it. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you are updated every time I upload a new video. Please share my videos with people who would really be benefited from my knowledge, from my learnings, from my research. So anyone who's looking to investing in Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, please share this video. So that's it, guys. Take care, and I shall see you tomorrow with another video. Bye bye.